last, ma'am, ano po yung pinaka-ultimate advice niyo po, ma'am, sa mga beginner and sa mga aspiring virtual assistant?
Yun, like what I mentioned kanina, ang ano ko lang naman, advice ko lang sa inyo guys, don't rush things becoming an EA, becoming VA. Learn, you need to understand everything muna about the fundamentals of the virtual assistance world. And then once you're done doing that, doon ka pipili ng niche mo na gusto mong i-pursue. And then once you have that particular niche, yun ang bigyan mo ng effort to at para mag-excel yung sarili mo. So doon ka magbigay ng effort, doon ka mag-spend ng money, kasi yun yung magiging presentation mo sa lahat ng mga kasalamuhan mong kliyente and even recruiters as well.
Okay.
Doon kayo mag-focus. Huwag kayong basta mag-rush na nakita nyo hiring, apply ka. Don't do that. Kasi mag-disappoint lang kayo. Sasabihin nyo lang, mapufrustrate kayo, hindi man akong tatanggap, apply ako mag-apply. But have you ever asked yourself, do you understand the virtual assistance world muna? And if you're able to answer that, then go ahead. Pick ka na ng niche mo. Diba? And then, pag hindi mo pa nasagot yung number, always go back to number 1. Kapag hindi mo nasagot si number 1, then do the number 1 first.